Hey guys, welcome back to another close-up swatch video. So we're doing the Colourpop Plush Like Me. I feel like I've not done these Colourpop close-up swatches for a while. I know I've just done the Barbie one, but before that I don't think I'd uploaded one for a while. Can't remember the exact day because I'd uploaded quite a few of different ones. So this one has got beautiful outer packaging. I love the velour here, the attention to detail, but I always thought these shades weren't the typical shades that I like. I mean, I like the shimmers, don't get me wrong, but when it goes into this darker territory, I didn't think it was me. So we're gonna do some swatches and hopefully I won't regret this palette, and we'll do a look with it really soon. I'm gonna try and do a look with this one before winter ends. Even though it's more fall, I think, than winter, and the Barbie one is more spring summer, so it doesn't matter if the Barbie one gets carried out in like March April time. This one hopefully will be done by February. I've just got a few like £9 palettes I want to do first. So guys, what we're going to do first is go in with a shade called Runaway. Can't really see it, can you? Right, it's a cream ivory shade with a little bit of a tint. Now you can't see my hand. So that's it there. Then we're going to go in with a slightly deeper one called Ironic. That's nice. They're blending out really nicely, guys. Then Slip Dress. Oh yes, that's nice. And then the first shimmer is called Video Night. I'm not wowed. I mean, it's pretty, but I'm not wowed by it. So that one's Video Night. Then we've got Throwback, which is another shimmer. They don't seem, I mean, I'm not saying they're not nice, guys. They don't seem that metallic, but glitter glue or a setting spray could fix that. So I don't want to do it down just yet. But the formula from the Barbie palette, the brighter colours, were more pigmented than this one. I'm just putting that out there. Then we've got Velour. The mattes in this palette are just insane. They're really pretty. And they blend out like butter. Then we've got TLC. Please be a good one. Even that's not as metallic as I would like it. Right, so far I'm not overly impressed with the shimmers, but that could change when I've got it on the eyes. Then we've got Depth. Oh no, Depth, sorry. Those two shades would go nice though, so I'll definitely do a look with that. Probably those three shades. Then we've got Girl Band, which this matte feels a little bit, it doesn't feel as smooth, and it's a little bit patchy, but again it could be my arm that's making it patchy. I'm quite dry on my arms. Then we've got Knee Highs. Ooh, this one's smooth. Look at that, guys. Right, so this is the only one. I'm going to swatch that again. This is the only one that is, so excuse me. So Knee Highs has changed my opinion on the shimmers. That's the only shimmer that's really made me go wow, because those two are lackluster in my opinion. And that one's not great either. So those two are lackluster in my opinion, and that one's not great either, but this one is perfection. So yeah, the next one is Flannel. And then the last one is Velvet One. So that's all the swatches, guys. That's the palette and that's the swatches. So what do you think of this palette? Have you got it in your collection or did you pass on it? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.